This summer, I traveled back to Florida's Space Coast to enjoy a quick visit where I grew up. From freshly hatched sea turtle eggs to crystal clear ocean water, the Space Coast has it all. My husband and I enjoy finding out-of-the-way places that tourists don't often explore. While exploring around downtown Melbourne, we discovered New Haven Books. This local independent bookstore has thousands of titles from which to choose. With aisle after aisle and genre after genre, New Haven Books has plenty for the bibliophile. My time in Florida would not have been complete without helping my mom get some plants in the flower bed. This year we chose a selection of both flowers and vegetables. With the Florida summer heat, it was crucial to water them each morning. For my husband and I, a visit to Florida is never complete without a visit to Ozzy's Crab House to get our tasty Maryland-style blue crab. Ozzy's offers a variety of dining options, including an upstairs lounge, downstairs lounge, and outdoor seating as well. This time we were so excited to get our crab that we were the first people in the door at lunch. We'll definitely be returning to Ozzy's again the next time we're here. I definitely recommend a visit to both Spessard-Holland beaches in Melbourne, Florida, as well as Paradise Beach in Indialantic, Florida. There are enough beaches in a row that you should be able to find one that's not crowded quite easily. In between taking out our drone for those epic shots, we enjoyed some time in the water as well. We're already looking forward to whenever our next visit will be to Florida's Space Coast.